na you had a personal
Gago
DDS.
ako?
No, Mr. President, the question supposed to follow was that, could you name those 7 people? Kung pwede niyo po ipangalan yung 7 members ng DDS na yan po.
Members ng DDS?
Your personal civilian DDS, which you mentioned is apparently counter-insurgency force.
Apparently, you know, even if they exist, why would I tell you the names now to you? Ang tingin mo sa akin, stupido?
Mr. President, because we're in an investigation in aid of legislation, and we're ruling out that if they are in
Mag-legislate kayo.
relation to the drug war.
Huwag mo akong isali dyan because I would be putting the people in danger. Yung inyong legislation